me bumper is in your couple okay? So calm down. It happens, every few years one day. Yours is unfortunate though. Anything else here won't be. We have thought about you, myself, my team, and even the headquarters. The IAC now, we know the source. And crimes now follow a particular pattern. We are very close to the end. But we can't say be a show. We assume say you are the next target. Yes. Because or eliminate ubia or any form of information. But don't worry, we'll be there for you. Don't cry, please. Don't cry, okay? It's okay. Listen, we are going to offer you protection 24/7. Very, very important for us. It is to say, maybe I'll be Kubiano. You say secretly, there are men following you for your protection. And also to get us close. Oh no, you don't have to cry. You're married. Yes, someone may come. Meet me. Okay? There's nothing you can do about it. Your revenge is when we get him arrested. Now the headquarters and the team, they decided say we'll move you away from your apartment.
Mommy and my relationship for so many years. I still can't believe that. Reverend, I'm so surprised.
Yes.
And I'm scared. I mean, once again for me, Mommy, dear, you're right.
You are the next target. It's okay. Listen, calm down. Calm down. We're going to do everything in our power to protect you. Jane and I make catch on the first step when we're moving you from your apartment. Today, we need the BC Seokoa. Your life is more important. So what I'm going to arrange for you is the men will take you to your new apartment. We are no Kakra. The lady police officers know her. You can get them for you. When the dust settles, you can go back to your place and get your things. If it's safe for you to stay there, we'll have you stay there. But for now, it's a dangerous zone. So we won't allow you to go in there. If you are going to see BBC, because they are very fast, they are very smart and crafty. That's it. So don't worry at all. You're going to be protected. Alright? Cobra!
Yes, sir.
Cobra, meet Marion. Lady Nana Mekanasa.
Okay, sir.
So you take her to the apartment and make sure you're secure.
Okay, sir.
Yes. You are safe, don't worry.
Oh, that's good.
You'll be safe, okay? Aja is soon, you'll be fine.
my death. Oh, after my death.
No. No more.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Good, sir.
Where's the lady? Mariam.
She is in there.
Okay, let me go meet her.
Okay, sir.
Hello. How are you? Great. If I say about this now,
Yes.
what did you have to say? Apartments are not feeling comfortable. Yeah, I mean, you said they're different from a normal lifestyle. I say, I'm more over this house, so be a bit messy. You say we feeling like a prisoner, maybe a police folk to you, but the next house so that is it. It's going to be for a short while because the partner yes and they will bring him to book. The law will take his course. The NGBR, Ibinian justice. That's it. It's not chill.
Actually, that's it. Apartment is you feel comfortable now. Rather so. Or very fine.
Good.
They say I am sometimes so wanna kind of me, feel for some. Then I am now my word, Kakranis at the anchor. Assurance no them okay.
Yeah, Mariam. You can't catch you say you are so be a welcome. Be a soon inquire of the first of you as soon as to the emphasis of woman, Mrs. Sodiano. What it? Yeah, we should say baby our own or turning share bush. There's also the new from the meeting I am. The bed of war. So what's it? But be our problem, be our more. You say we train so. It's all money. What's it? And I'll catch you now. Don't must want immediately. Why? Till the is ahead. It's not a buy. Why? It's the officers of the Ghana Police Service. The man we're dealing with is not an ordinary fugitive. He's desperate and extremely dangerous. So from now, or a higher priority tactical matter. The mission will be on the or see him. And he has also shown the willingness to kill more people. These are my notes to you for this mission. Because in the next 72 hours, we should be able to prove that we are men who are principled and well trained.
Yes, sir.
Now, these are the patterns I will follow. All known associates, family contacts, former hideouts, mobile money transactions, social media footprints, or say checking in, motorbikes, any truck routes. I will say you follow. Markets, lorry stations, there they are there. Transport yards.
Yes, sir.
Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Now, we also have roadblocks, highway patrols, and at night, visibility patrols also. We're mentioning drone surveillance. Yes, very, very key. And now, rules of engagement. Your duty is to arrest him. Your obligation is to protect innocent lives. Your right under the Ghanaian law is to use necessary force only if he threatens your life or lives of civilians. Are you following?
Yes, sir!
Now, I'll say everybody teamwork. No way. All units will maintain radio contact every 15 minutes.
Yes, sir!
Very important.
Yes, sir.
If you sight him, you do not engage him alone. You call in it. Backup closes in. We end this with discipline.
Yes, sir!
Not anger. Assign your information. Say amphibia will move in and out. We are attacking that house. Immediately.
Yes, sir!
I'll dispatch some of you to be able to do that.
Yes, sir!
I hope you're able to target him and bring him to book.
Yes, sir!
So now, my people, this is time for us to show our superiors what we can do. Don't let this opportunity pass you by.
Yes, sir!
May God protect every officer.
Yes, sir!
In this operation.
Yes, sir!
Great prediction. Sir, may I obtain your permission to dismiss the men? Sir! Yes, sir. Great, your right fold out.
The same. Reverend Abraham, more any day. I did bet me I know Okumi Bafufro. Every single day. Okumi Bafufro. Most of say we be found. You name me a found. Sana, your mom, or my baby, or one way you safe, or where you safe. And wait me Okumi mammy. I just say, Okumi mammy is one the last person. Oh, yeah, where me, where they be a new seba. So Okumi Bafufro. See, then I'm way.
He met me, I got you, and he said, yeah, I'm a threat. Yeah, I'm turning one thing you are. A baby victim beer said a bear, a betchin. It was all come to me. And maybe we are our savior, or I said, we go for a cyber to them. And Intina, a banana, I may have a camp police for more, said a bear, a victim, a channel. Now the other human idea, and I said, he said for Abraham was a son in pursuit.
Sissy.
The picture and liquid on this idea.
Really?
Yeah. Bibia was a son. Who says he see a chromosome on her, and yet is so good.
This is getting dangerous. More serious.
Auntie, yeah, the victim be said the bear. The victim had action.
Is this a new crime you say?
Oh, I do say. Yeah, you may say a personal bodyguard, no dear, only problem.
Jesus. I mean, dear person in your field. The be a commander back. Yea, and you won't go counsel, yea, the victim, but the more you need enough. It's getting scarier. I mean, what if she will be beating me? I work in and say or no. I mean,
the tennis, Mamma, or who say, you be beating me at all. You script now was in your tight. It will be anything bomb rise or baby or no. Until a man dream will say, be better and as we say, David. Nancy, I need me. Take what come to you.
You know what baffles me? My name no pass and you're painting a wheelchair, very innocent. My name is so you wouldn't say I'm meaning for the father so.
If you say I was a same person, I might say the man idea. Until you say the victim, said a bear, yes, I can. I'm over here. I want to. Yes, you are banana. The bear you must say, yes, I mean, I can. I'm out of take what come to your man, how you say, baby, I will not miss it. We say, why? Until men drink how. All right.
Good evening.
It is saying, good to see you, Nyami Adum. But as I say, to Safro, Obai.
Oh, I mean, myself, Chief Fortune is after the also back.
Okay.
Now, Comobia will be timid.
Sasa. Yeah. We are Bonitel.
Okay.
Now, me meeting be office on tea, almost so. Tia Monitel Nako, because we are me power. Father Abraham. Every much say a yonko brebo.
I am yonko brebo, sir. I am yonko no. Na I metako ya doye, and I donate you on honor. It's a no me say, ne, me pay baba could be, because my name is Baba. Me pay baba my back one count.
Which orphanage journal.
Orphanage. Now, because ye know, dear me, my comma penal, or my family. And Cransia, if you shame, no say, and yen is or must say Jim Sika to 3 D in his caketua. Maybe a chronic call ya, and then come in tell me baby. A cran some more name or to me mamma na Timisade, Nicole.
Wow.
Beside the cran, a sackaway. Intimatity yarn is a chese, and near my cosono, and yas and papa cry.
Na unim say oyobia owona ordinance there.
Minimum sir. Why? Nkratem ko wankratem ni news na mtete say watimi asome anante a che say wonnam kromu a wokunkum nipa. I am surprised.
Right.
Oh,
I say yo mama. But you move your your mama.
okay.
Yeah. Intina aban dia share nsa say ni petisa no. You see you free amansantem.
Momode.
Teno na egu so aye.
Momode.
Ehu hia pa.
Nokre.
Na edwumadie no se de amam nim no. Se bekoso a gisetimamufo no boaye. Yenya mo free wo ho a intimi kosihwe. Information ne tip offs ne ade no. Ehu be hia pa. Because juma odi no enye asem ketewa. Nipa ehwere omo nkwa efa ne nsam no enye asem ketewa.
Tesa prosifo nya akro kunkum.
Nasem no very serious. Nti hia momo a wo a woni na sign pen no uhunu a ese wutimi hu no sa pepepe nti bibia waso ana wani ebeti ne nka no ma na yintinti a ha because yinyina yin safe wo yin safe because nipa okunkum mu nyina no yehwe pattern na enkrofo mu nim na more information enkrofo mu ni nya problem pay to be any safe so what I say to so for be here more
but because so the wonim say me was cantina anye dan a metimi kura za atete no enti kwan bia so no ti uto nsa frem na mani agi pa so was me bana mutimi so bo me ne me yere ne me ba bai
sir
fa to renche bia
many police for no mpani for no yaye ehihye nti we have a guard for you but also so no I will say we are very vigilant. What's it? That's it. That's me. That's say what about? Aha. We could tell me meeting so. Well, Nyamisha also so. All right. What happened? What happened?
Sir, we lost her, sir.
No! God damn it! How? How did that happen?
Sir, we did our best, sir.
Your best? How is that supposed to be your best?
Nipa na mo try to say kunwa, who say your best? How? Huh? How do you expect the people to believe in your efficiency? No, that's what you're saying.
Sir, we are so sorry. They were smarter than us.
So you are not smart.
We are sorry.
That is what you're saying. Sorry won't bring back the life of that lady. Do you know that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have failed. You have. What do you expect me to tell the bosses? Before I then I'm catching. Send me the a member grind 9 of you just to protect a little girl and you couldn't. Now tell me what to tell them. I'm listening. I am listening.
So we are going to make sure we come up with a good strategy to monitor them.
So I should tell them that I sent you out there to protect a little girl. When TV and Shendo so Yakuno, until say we are going to make sure. Nonsense! Listen, this is not a child's play. This is no playground. We're dealing with human lives. Are you aware? Are you guys aware? We just lost one. One that we were supposed to be protecting. Huh? Now, we are going to employ Runai. Yes. If persuasion fails,
force must be applied!
You gun him down if we see him anywhere. Otherwise, there will be more killings. And this must stop. Now!
Yes, sir!
Now go. Everybody go.
Phobia Quaco, be free from. Yet the across to yen to Mintramui. Way dear, ye pan to mow. Nana no madam, I'm sorry. A prosifonia bambo for one. Yenidia sa yenia wuto. Yada demon see an angua bonti. Growing my after my death. Hey, he's wanted. Who is wanted? Hey, nobody knows. Nobody knows. After my death. Yeah, he's wanted. Who is wanted? Hey, nobody knows. Confrontation, why kuno. Oh, dini akuno. Nasu kroida susi apini. Kroida siti pinting kwa. Kroida sudi abobo. Hey, kroi munyu yo. Osia se no titin kwa dabi ana. Ana odine chija obi. Owo na bedi achrebi ana. Ana sabani bina yaya. Ama
Oh, I would dear name, one year old you go. Would dear Bassa.
Baby, last time I know
Share money or said highly criminal. Share, can also obey only my son. Also, was as you think home.
He never come my home.
Was here she on you. Sadly, also shall she and also in
I will say you. I say, so you want to be concummy.
Saturday only do more with young, well, only my son found no big said a bear, you who may check on you.
Hey, Mrs. Yana, then a police from where I found. Also, what you know?
A police there or more, moon do more you. Once like there or more ya for Papa no cry. When my dear more yet. Until then, I was a shade. Was a hand is young, why you want is our own who cry now, baby.
I was saying, I will come, yes, idea. You will have a baby for me. Then the same was a sea. Yes, shall also you.
After my death.
In the budget, welcome once again.
Your Honor, thank you very much.
Mensa count question. Now, Manyaba Trenso Akumi. But it's very serious. And what do you want me to do for you? So would you be quite a friend in ceremony? Something different altogether. So now, before I can do something or something to you, though, Obi himself a capacity, and near my way. It's a broad meaning, but you will know unless you have to give me some strong evidence. And as I give me so, Emma may yet the open hour. Give me some evidence. A bit young man who say, the me, I'm the right path.
Say, Mrs. Medasi, any Akonya or the Amami. I'm saying, there's no any more court to that, but no opportunity name my watch. And them say, Ghana had no be any more Juma. Why, the kiss no, your body, a toast no meaning say, the Chichimu Papa BP. The Medasina Akonya. Now, the woman said, Father Abraham was saying, my Lord, and yes, and Peter. Yet, if you move, even your team be craft, I'm an only crowd of boy, 1 or 2 people. Now, forensic evidence near the DAP, we share crimes now, pattern near the same. Until you say if you the same source. Now, any person any nipa ashro mo kwa fa papa nsemu. My Lord, a dose too much. Nyankasa yeba no. Yema selected CIDs from 8 different districts. To meaning 9 men and they were on top of the case IAA investigation. You know kasa yakami inside.
Wow.
Now, it really case now. We say, Ubia or information, Bia, with media implicating on we need to free. Say, it won't be no information. Kasibi on why and Sabekan. My Lord, I never china Nipanini. Enti, Okunkum Nipa. Miano. We now bomb by 2 times. I just say, if you can't know me, no man. Now, Obeka say, oh, fair reinforcement to pay. Now, I hear. Now, Sanka, me will 2 million. Sanka, we should do not answer maybe at the time. I can hear. Because of the pain, Mammy be on any Juma, who say, Mammy, be information. Young lady bisa so my meneba also koye adwuma ho on crowd they need protecting of my Lord. Young lady so kwa sorry them akobo security were outside the church building. You take noise in room they were real from window ma young lady in that one. And the car forensic for the end so mama me young say na what you say now be any say white. See, no, you say, or die in the black. And what the number this guy said, Papa, yet me at now, which a mobile and saw a cripple for over 10 years. So, I'm a cripple. Indeed, Obia would see me and pretending, yes, I know my wing now. Say, national security as a man, you can was. It is a young pecoin be, and yes, smarter. If you ever be doing now, because we are or shall nipa no bit me one at 10 and as nipa no the information be able man. But I need flow. And I share pattern so says still I can the same. to the Mr. In Majuma Makuri. This is time I be saving for life. Say you jano money nantimwa, but China Krami in BBC. Until I'm about your honor, I mean my law. And sometimes me cramming now more cramming me feel safe.
Okay. I think I'm fair enough. You would you man could give a crab, maybe the I may cross check it back. I said it to you. You said, but now, did you carry something terrible?
Very, very sad.
And I know, said now come. Said, would you go back for me a clinic bazaar? A bit about it will come to say, maybe you gonna, maybe I'll be Panam, one I met, maybe
no question.
You can't be said, you're trying to fool men and boys. That's why we are sitting here together. We are sharing ideas.
Thank you, sir.
What you know, because I can say, Mammy, and you may be out, and intimate me, just why I say. Nadiwakan, in fact, I'm totally convinced.
Thank you, sir.
Honestly. And the issue when he said, to say no, judging a testimony about call life. TV phone never found life. It is what to be become some on me can see ya present this answer now court. Let's have been to me, Jina, myself so. I say, will be obedient, wait to be in the few years. I will say, young one. The people who we are seeing a gun will say, you're on the right path.
Thank you, sir.
So, I don't have any problem with that.
Thank you,
as
sir.
once about prison to you.
Thank you, sir.
Now, the BI free and fair. We are going to say the American. Correct.
Thank you, my lord.
Mr. Watcher,
My lord.
why are they? You are doing your job. But you love your country. And I wish that in there she better she may be.
My lord, that's
You are welcome.
Thank you. Have a seat. Thank you very much.
How's work?
My grace, my Lord, everything is fine.
Now what to say? And a pastor come up with me and say, that good morning. Usu,
My Lord.
we have 1 or 2 things to discuss. We need the man before. But anybody say we will be. And now I'm not be more difficult.
My Lord.
Yeah, my Lord, I if you get you if you really open one for you.
Lord,
More hot water. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. From Fiona, it's all about Father Abraham.
Reverend Father Abraham.
Yeah, the suspect.
The suspect in the news.
Thank you. Yes, but one means my lawyer pay. True lawyer, the moon, I say my bedroom, my bed judge.
Yes,
and you are the one abans where you are when I will handle on any case. And then can we make you but a memono. Untimi Emon Kwany be our sasso or no ekasa. It was a buying a man lawyer, no Casabano. But I think you know everything about him. Very serious.
yes, my Lord.
So the meeting I can say it's a feeling in the court. With me,
Yes, my Lord.
very good. The Obaka any day see a glue case in the Beckham. And you should meet me a Gina Abwas or not a fire. Namde Jajino Amano. Now, the advice I miss I give you amount be say case we case yes will be any DHA will be a heady beco. It has also bring your best. You professionally through be a same woman, maybe a more handling some because with you in a betty will be a more show also appearance how you handle the case. Now, expose you also what the nipa I will do massing up the beer. If you make me, I can say, do your best. I think you understand what I'm saying.
Yes, my Lord.
Do your best. So at the end of the day, you need a genuine case, a genuine people. Not your problem be away any achieve. I think you get me right.
I get you, my Lord.
Thank you. This is the reason why I'm calling you.
Thank you, my Lord. First of all,
Feel free, sit down.
my Lord, Daddy Kind. Medawasi.
Yeah.
I would say I would mean the right words to use for you. Nah, meaning say at the right time, no.
Yeah.
I share when you say free time we school and I'm person joining Ghana Bar Association.
Yeah.
My Lord, I am more.
Yeah.
We call me kakra advice now we share me. Many say.
Yeah.
The see I cry na dia waka catch me cry there. It's beyond my understanding because now me that say this sort of a case, you know, what they be mommy. But like you've always done, you've been my legal advisor, you've guided me through this legal journey.
Okay.
And I must say, I really appreciate it.
Don't worry. You know, we have some problems that the person who is climbing good tree is always be pushed. Go through the piano. I know you from infancy when you start the school. When you start the Ghana Bar Association, I know everything. How you are always down. And your personality is very presentable. I'm telling you guys. And I wish say one day you two will become a judge. and continue for the good work. And I know our Lord will bless you.
Thank you, my
I'm
Lord.
done.
Thank you, my Lord.
Thank you too.
Thank you, my Lord.
Enjoy a drink.
I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Coming here, I will enjoy with you, but I have to be in the chamber.
Okay.
Yes, they were court appearance around 11:30.
Okay.
So I have to meet the client in the chamber. So
No problem.
once again, my Lord, I really appreciate it.
No problem. Safe journey. Okay?
Thank you, my Lord.
I love you.
You,
Take care.
Thank you.
Okay. Let me open the door for you.
Oh, my Lord, I'll do that.
Thank you.
My name is Barrister Ufuseche. I am the appointed barrister for the corporate Reverend Father Abraham. I wanted to ask a few questions about our next court hearing that you already filed against him. Now, let me say in your case, what file is more arresting but this time around you Chief Detective, I think it's a bit harsh because I feel the judicial service is very, it's there to help everyone. And I think there are other ways to approach this case than said over file say you arrested a while, that's why I came here. I want to know if there is a personal interest or there is something you think is different about him. I don't know why you want him there.
The legal aid from the government to defend
Father.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Listen, I wish you have done a lot more investigation before approaching me. Because if you had, some of your questions would have been answered. We are in a very dangerous situation. This Father Abraham is red alert security threat. I'm telling you. And we know. Have you followed the sequence of the murders? What did you
I'm still going through.
Many police for 9 started our investigation. All of them gone down from our sources. It's the same suspect because the line of the killing, the style and everything matches the same sequence. And so, what's the lawyer? Lawyer Ufuseche. Opese mintra hani hukumu. Asana Monsieur Nyansa. You were talking about the judicial service. That is why we didn't take him down, or we haven't yet. Because we respect the law. Of course, we are law enforcers. Intina yepe kwai, ama judge, ama yesa permission. That we didn't say we are just going to kill him. But if it becomes difficult to catch him, we have to kill him. We have to save lives. So now, my focus as the commander of this operation is not about even the crimes he has committed. What he is committing now and you're about to commit. And I won't let that happen. Yes. We'll take him down. I won't let that happen.
Well, if you say so, you just have to meet him. I think I have the necessary evidence I wanted to get. So I wish you all the best. Then we meet in court next.
I wish you the best.
Okay.
Mama would name any this honorable court and him say you be secured that BKK. But I will say safeguarding lives of innocent Ghanaians. As you see, Binoka say, safety about under threat of Papaya and friend Father Abraham. My Lord, accused no yes or Johnny Keke was armed with the two out in Juma. And I was not even the arrest anytime we ever see a Chilibiano. Of a coin be Sujani was a near Togo, a police force. Now a family Wagani were demonstrating in so many ways or you're willing to kill to avoid capture. Now, Oshe Yamra Moa, Article 15(2) our 1992 Constitution, my Lord, Section 30, 31, and 33, Act 29. Emma police for Hong Kong say you use reasonable and proportionate force. See, do baby not suspect, a pursue as immediate threat to lives. My Lord, Republic, and pay license say it be cool. And I say, a buyer police for more, and yet no the free war. You miss our power. Now, law near clear. Say, you lawful directive. A bit me see, sa embrace should be our mind. If sa brantiano or a threat and a danger to the society. Yes, right? Court to know. One for penny. Who back out one for penny? Yes, record to my Lord, Mr. Rao. The office I know my way now, my Lord. Yes, Rao, so be my home. And yes, a penakunu. Nasi Shiano, not to 2 years swap. Is you between us and 2 years. And I said this honorable court. So, boy, Ama Yacha man saying, you know, also say, you hear public no more. Without us.
Thank you, my Lord. My Lord, Medawasi. Na me gidi se Ghana ha no ye wo emra I bought him emuni bia ho ban. Na criminal right to court I guarantee 1992 Constitution. Chapter 5 that give the criminal procedure codes, Act 30. My Lord, this act ensures that every defendant being a right, fair hearing, say ubenya akwenya say be obefa lawyer, not lawyer to be defending. Now, from the beginning of my learned colleague, the presentation in assumption, it's say my client here can ye or mubi ye and he said my learned colleague betna no kase running money kwina yen kunum fambra. I think say the law is going to be a bit harsh the client so.
Objection, my Lord. Man kase yen kunum fambra. My Lord, nipa ni yen hunu. Objection overruled.
Thank you, my Lord. After so yenim say running ma onipa bia ho kwan say ye de ne tena se ana ye de ne gina mra ne nim na kasa bia oti ase do say eye twiu say ye nkan say ye man mu kasa bia oti ase bia no ye de bisa na asem na ye hu so ogitum say ye ka no no kro say wa fom mra ana say eye ntwato so bi keke. My Lord, me learned colleague no akasa bebree, but I still stand on the 1992 Constitution, Chapter 5, Act 30, ensure the fundamental human rights. No, my client, Reverend Father Abraham, who by say, no matter bonia a woman found this any bonity here. Or yet, me money na me didn't set me money biano, your money quine, a money be jinam running na ya tutuna and sana say, ye be bua sem na my lord, meaning say, sana court we, I know, free it. And see, you should be going by when you say, Kebeya. I mean, Leonard colleague, I'm okay, so I'm the buyer. I think say it has no basis and it has no facts because the Constitution states that everyone is innocent until proven guilty. Say yentimi and funny bejina hana young man concrete evidence that states say the econo, my lord. And can me say, Mr. Court say, be my opponent no, I can. A court in a bit me, Kayem Bongo. Thank you very much, my lord.
What's the court we need to? Have a seat.
Thank you, my lord.
I have listened both of you. Meti afani no. As a you prosecutor, what do you expect the court to do for you?
Yo, my lord, me that say, need him. Him say, it's here there. The learned police. Him say, and we innocent citizens. Anyhow, I shouldn't even the first reverend himself. So during one, I can't say encouragement on the major port. It's an one thing. My lord, the agent so as a police for and say, Oboy a chidom, a woman, them decan article 52 of the 1992 Constitution, section 31, 32, 33. My lord, Sir Act Nema police for and would be say you could be a chill, unless he could do maybe. That's a nippon be a threat, Emma. And that's all tutua. The man of my own conscience. I know na a person boy chidom. Now, the uncle could be red glass. Tinted that one. That's it.
Defendant,
My lord.
I've heard what you are saying. And do you know more about your crime?
Yes, my lord.
When you say a kumpuku dinano, and Kwada or Romo me your kidney, and Kwada or Moton, even any pa, a nim as semno as no monim to be beer, dear the people betting a bit dancing. Wouldn't you say, only pardon, where you mean nephew?
My lord, Patrol, the client is sending me answer or ye, Reverend Father. We didn't a don collar, a pen collar, na. My lord, ye may when I told her na Papa be ye, it's me, it could be a bonny. A your door, woman collar, and if money to watch out the yama, name mice or best some name mine. And I did never be brave, affiliate in the
Objection, my lord. I don't understand the panel. Over to me again. Who done saying? The Papa body put this empire. No, done. Thank you.
Me as please. So, you know that your client is a disabled person or normal person?
My lord, my client, Reverend Father Abraham, is a well-able man.
Okay. So what comes? Will he always take a wheelchair? According to what I've heard in my book, about 10 or 15 years now.
My lord, I patch up my name, sir, we use wheelchair. Now, I had a choice. Idea, Reverend Father Abraham, okay. It's answer. My name come with the on Antica, no, I break. The thought I will fear. Purpose of better na so na say or if kitchen compound is required what the name so until one shed and you be I said 79 years and I say
objection, my lord. We tell you, I say, which are Yakunya, and the newspapers, any pictures out there, but which are mutual, yes, or and the which one. That's it.
Lawyer,
My lord.
in fact, nobody in this earth as a person can walk at the same time you use a wheelchair as his gather. You know that your client have changed his identity?
My lord, I believe that we deny just assumptions from my learned colleague. And the master say, "You're very poor as a man, colleague, maybe by me."
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, my lord.
Okay. But here a funny meaning now. Me jina court ya mam so. I'm always say o grant no. It's a threat to this country. And we can't live with this attitude. So the American in a no name as some American for the last. Me mano, you going to come for. Any police person you be sharing biano have to arrest him. If he attempt to do something which is not good or he want to fight with the police can shoot him.
Thank you, my lord.
That is my judgment. Contrast.
I wish I saw a dear Reverend Father Abraham. And once I'm a Danny Danino, my catcher said, "The Bessibiano, your dear children, say I call to them, say I let them be Pierre Cosubiano, your dear children, the Monsem, and Mamma said, they are young so Timo Mufoni, but only your homes over. So say, dear, I could say. Judge a one come from Abra Yenti and Numasem. A sign say, a police for now, one more two and Hokusu, say a Mexican, Abba, Amaya didn't brown a city yellow, but dining a near one so, when free in your crop fossil, I do a posy for so. I will share posy for ya, and ye and Yasem Ketua, now done it to two, and your wild young woman, no Kuno, and your team walk for penny in a turn, I will. Or say the Akrobeto or one who for police in me. No one point. Someone Reverend Father Abraham, Ebon Punim Pua, when you come who are, no suit Mikuno, if you say, a buying a one who for. It's a one who for a bra, Yanti and no more sem, and I'm the Nipa body semunti. Aha, and I asem no Akrobeto. Mr. Timamuni, also ye, I am go to 2 and maybe uncount if you say, I am a before. It's who baby are a one come for.
After my death, 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 after my death.
But all right. Abraham, I'm here to say goodbye to you.
Abraham, don't kill me.
And I hope you remember my name.
Yes, of course. Please forgive me. I'll make sure I'll make the judgment another one to save you. Please, don't kill me. Let's ask me. But you should say, next time you want something. I'll make you good judgments. Please, don't kill me.
What's up, man? Yeah, we did it. We did it. Yes, sir.
Hey, yo, listen. Ghana, we will say, member of Ghana. Yeah.
This one they need to call for a celebration. Oh yeah.
Big celebration.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, one moment need you. Your post there in the hour show. Yes, but I was saying you're going to hospital. Now, I'm prove medical say you're not for much. It's not a press statement.
Okay,
being I'm just up saying. What? Hey! I need to end it. Hey! Hey, drop it!
My friend, drop it down.
Drop it down! Drop it! 1, 2!
Weezy Empire presenting After My Death. After my death. He's wanted. Who is wanted? Hey, nobody knows. Nobody knows. After my death. Yeah. He's wanted. Who is wanted? Hey, nobody knows. Roy moye shio, Roy moye Run a sound here with ye baby, and you cry fro. Roy moye shio, Roy moye Run a sound here with ye baby, and you cry fro. And now Batia Yakumobi. Prophobia Papa, you'll be free from. Yadi across to Yantumin Tramwin. Wait, dear, ye pan to mow. Nana, no, madam, I'm sorry. I proceed for your bamboo for one. Yanity, yes, sir, ye near water. Yet that damn see an angle.